Hello everyone, in this video how to make 3D rectangle in Photoshop for two way. First step, let's apply step 1 with fill. Select a rectangle, shape, fill, color, any color, press enter. Then draw, double click the rectangle layer, bevel and emboss, smooth, inner bevel, deep, size, screen light, multiply, blend mode, add a drop shadow, okay, and apply step 2. Create again new layer, select rectangle tool, use without fill and stroke color, press enter. Then apply same process for drag with increase stroke size, press Ctrl T, resize anywhere. Then simply click 3D, tap new, yes. See this rotation, move anywhere, zoom in, zoom out, camera angle, that's it. Press Ctrl D or press Ctrl H. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.